oatmeal chocolate chip cookies
with a Christmas twist.
Coming up next on Love What You Eat. It's nice and chilled.
Nice and set.
Yeah. So what you saw us do is mix together the sugars with the butter. We added another Christmas flavor, which was the rum.
The rum, yes.
Yeah, rum extract. We added the egg, so that was our wet batter. And then we ended up all of the dry, the cinnamon, the flour, and we had the baking soda and the salt. We mixed that together, and that was our dry that we incorporated into our wet. And then once we had that base done, we folded in the oats, and then afterwards we put the chocolate chips, the pistachios, and the cranberries, which we chopped just to have a nicer bite. So the cranberries and the pistachio ended up chopping just for a better bite. And that dough formed together perfectly. We let it chill in the fridge, covered it, put it in the fridge for half an hour just to get a little bit of a chill. And then afterwards we took it out, we rolled it out into logs, into the sizing that we would want, and then we saran wrapped them and placed it back into the fridge for another hour just to get a real proper firm set, so have that butter basically solidify again.
Yeah.
Once that hour was done, we ended up cutting them to the size and shape that we wanted. We placed them on a parchment lined baking sheet. They went into a 325-degree oven, and then they baked off for 8 to 10 minutes. We're looking for that light browning around the edges. You still want this cookie to be soft, which it is, and I will show you that this ends up being a beautifully soft cookie. Honestly, so good. My nephew was here, he just left, but he devoured a couple of these already. So
Before leaving.
Yeah, they're kid approved, so good. And
it's great.
split it with my mom.
We can't forget the kids, during the holidays. We do a lot of adult stuff, but this is great for the kids for the holidays.
Yeah, and with the oats. So that's it. We let them just cool on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes or so. They're still soft, so you just want to give them a few minutes to chill, to cool, and then we transfer them for about 10 minutes on a wire rack so that they would be able to be picked up properly. But you see under a nice light golden brown, and these store very well.
Yes, they do.
Freeze them, put them in the bag. I don't know if they'll last in your house, so these will bake off really easily. But that's it. We are going to try it, and yeah.
Like Nancy said, you can put them in the freezer, so if you know that you're very busy, these are all recipes that you could cook in advance and put them in airtight containers or those freezer Ziploc bags. Put them in the freezer, they stay up to 3 months.
These are delicious.
Oh my God.
Right? It's the perfect amount of oat. It gives you that chew, but it's such a soft cookie.
I like the rum. And the cinnamon.
The rum and cinnamon bring in that fall flavor, a little bit of a Christmas vibe. We hope you guys give this one a try. If you do, let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you'll be able to find all of our recipes uploaded along with photo aid that will help you recreate to the T or inspire you to make your own recipe. And that's it. We wish you happy holidays. Have a great weekend. Happy Sunday. Tune in weekly for new content. And until next time, continue to
love what you eat.
love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao. Buona festa.
It's really good.
Very good. Che bontà. Delizioso.
And there's dunking cookie too.
It just melts in your mouth. They're
They
so
really
soft.
do.